YouTube. It's Jackie G. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. But yeah, I just want to do a follow-up music video to my last video. I know I played a short clip of my project called Atlanta to you all. It was more like a YouTube short, only 30 seconds. But I said it wouldn't be fair for me to play it, 30-second video to you all. I want you to hear the whole element of the project. So what I did, I forward over or I copy and drag the Bandlab version to the native instrument version, which is more professional. You can look at the software. And then what I'm going to do is play it, how the Bandlab quality sound compared to the native instrument compressor. And I'm going to show you all. If you go to the plus button on here, right below the sampler, and click on the arrow, or just click on the plus button right here. And then if I click on the compressor, it's gonna, make it sound more professional. It's actually gonna compress the sound. And since I didn't create the beat on native instruments, I'm gonna have to convert it over. So I just want to show you all the difference on how it sounds. So I'm gonna go ahead and play it before I add the compressor. And here I go here. So if you want to play it, you do have to click on here. Now the harder that you hit the button, it's gonna sound louder. So if I barely tap it, it's gonna sound low. So this is how it would sound if I hit it harder. So I can show y'all the difference. Okay, so we're gonna go back here, click on the plus button, and then I'm gonna click on internal and click on compressor. And I'm gonna play it, and then you all can hear the difference. One thing I love about native instruments. So I'm gonna go ahead and just let it play out so you all can hear it. This will be available on Spotify in another 2 to 3 weeks. So hey, y'all support your girl. So I'm just gonna let you all listen to it. I'm letting the beat ride out on this. All right. So y'all can leave a comment down, and let me know what you think about it. But yeah, this is really a nice project that I'm working on about what's going on in the world. It's a conscious song, all about, crime and everything that's going on, trying to have gun reform. But I will give you all more updates, in reference to the next video. I'm going to talk more about creating the beat and arranging the beats and the instruments on native instruments instead of Bandlab. All right, so y'all have a good one. God bless you.